Park.
Yeah, national park din siya.
Galing nga.
Pero we have to climb. Which I don't like to do.
In 500 meters, turn left.
Windshield please.
Mag-turn left tayo, makakit tayo.
Kaya tayo sa dulo.
Uy.
We will go to the tip of this island.
Ito siguro, ito rin siguro.
Yeah, the same destination. For sure.
Destination yan.
Oops, windshield please. Here.
Here,
Left.
150.
140.
140.
120.
Uy,
Turn
sabay
left.
natin. That's nice.
Just follow it.
That's nice. Kasama
Okay.
tayo. Ninja. May spiritual hikes. Let's see.
Continue for 1 kilometer.
Marami din pala eh. Oo,
Yep.
oo.
Many going there.
Galing. Going up. So na yun siya? May resto? May parang view deck?
Your guess is as good as mine.
Ay, naku.
Paano same kay Cape Manzano eh?
Ha?
Same sa Manzano siguro. Manzano.
Sino?
Same sa Cape Manzano.
Ah.
Manzano.
I think this is kung siguro sa tingin ko. Higher. Sinulo siya. Natin.
In 400 meters, turn right.
400 meters. Uy. Uy.
See, meron ano?
Uy.
Structure.
Alam mo yung maganda yung doon sa Mindanao, yung sa eastern, ano to? Eastern part, no? Yung ano to? The first sunset ko, no? Ganun nila ba?
May view deck na ganyan.
May view deck na ganun.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the right.
So it's a big place.
Turn right. Oh.
Park ka dyan somewhere.
That's nice.
Observatory. Meron sa observatories eh. Wish we should also have Cape Headwood. So no many parking space.
That's nice. Ano yung parking dito?
Yan sa grass.
Dito pa dito, no?
Yeah, but doon tayo malapit kay ulan man.
Oo, sige.
There oh. Tabi ng red.
Kaya na rin yan. Ano tayo? Red. The red is not parking.
Why?
Then. Akala ko hindi siya parking. Well.